You made it out of grade 6 jail. You can chain your reasoning. You can springboard off figures. You are getting 7s. So why are you still not hitting grade 8? Here's what the examiner will never tell you in class. There is a secret third target that AQA is specifically testing, and it is worth up to 35% of your entire GCSE mark. Most students know it has a name, but almost nobody knows how to actually prove they're doing it. It's called Assessment Objective 3, AO3, and it is the difference between grade 7 and grade 8. Grade 7 students are brilliant at explaining. Grade 8 students do something completely different. They don't treat all geographical factors as equal. They judge them. They weigh them up. They make a verdict. In the next 3 minutes, I am going to show you the exact linguistic formula that signals AO3 mastery to your examiner, using a real 9-mark AQA question that most students get catastrophically wrong. Let's look at a real 9-mark question from AQA Paper 1. Assess the importance of immediate and long-term responses to a tropical storm you have studied. The average high-achieving student falls into what I call equal factor bias. They write a strong paragraph on search and rescue operations. Then they write an equally strong paragraph on long-term rebuilding. Then they stop. 2 parallel paragraphs, treated as if they have identical geographical value. The examiner reports are damning on this point. This equal treatment prevents students from accessing top-level marks because they are narrating 2 parallel stories rather than making an evaluative judgment. You are not being marked simply on whether you know 2 responses. You are being marked on whether you can decide which one matters more and prove it. To unlock grade 8, your factors must actively compete against each other on the page. Whilst immediate responses, like deploying search and rescue teams in Tacloban following Typhoon Haiyan, were vital for short-term survival, long-term responses, like restoring the mangrove plantation coastal shields, are ultimately more significant. This is because long-term responses permanently reduce the population's future spatial vulnerability, whereas immediate aid merely returns the community to its original state of hazard risk. The word whilst is where the grade jumps. That is the exact moment evaluation begins. That paragraph explicitly pitched one factor against the other and produced a verdict based on permanence and scale. This is how you apply ultimately more significant to any topic. These 3 words unlock grade 8. Ultimately more significant. When you write those 3 words and back them with a geographical reason, permanence, scale, reach, root cause, you are signaling AO3 mastery directly to your examiner. Screenshot this. This is your grade 8 unlock formula. Destroy the 50-50 split. Before you write a single sentence of your essay, declare which factor is your dominant variable. Commit to it from line 1. Deploy comparative signposts. Force whilst, in contrast, and ultimately more significant into your transitions. If your paragraphs can exist independently without these words, they are not evaluating. They are explaining. Here's your challenge before the next video. Take a 9-mark essay you've already written and find the moment where you declared your verdict. If you can't find it, you're losing marks you've already earned. Drop your topic in the comments and I'll pin the exact comparative sentence formula for it. And if you want the final piece, the grade 9 mistakes that even straight A students walk into, the next video is the one you cannot afford to skip. I'll see you there.